Hi children, in this video we are going to see 6th standard mathematics chapter understanding elementary shapes topic circles. Now we are going to discuss about parts of circles. Parts of circles are center, radius, diameter, arc, chord, scatter, segment, secant, semicircle and circumference. So in our daily life we come across many circular objects in our surroundings. So such as bangles, buttons, pizza, coins, CD, plate, rings, chapati, wall clock and wheel. So all are round in shape. So now let's see what is a circle. A circle is the collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. And a circle is a simple closed curve. So let's see center of a circle. So we already know a circle is the collection of all those points in a plane whose distance from a fixed point remains constant. So here the fixed point is called a center of the circle. So now coming to radius of a circle. So a line segment with one endpoint at the center of the circle and the other on the circle is called radius. So that is the constant distance from the center to any point on the circle is called the radius. So here the radius is denoted by the small alphabetical letter R. Next, the plural form of a radius is a radii. The another important point is all radii of a circle are equal. That is, so here OP is a one radius, the another radius is OQ. The another radius is OR. Here the radius OP, OQ, OR are equal distance. So let's see diameter of a circle. So here a line segment with both its ends touching the boundary of the circle and passing through center is called diameter of the circle. So that is a line segment whose end points lie on the circle and which passes through the center of the circle is called diameter. So diameter is denoted by the small alphabetical letter D. So here also all the diameters are equal distance. So that is here the another diameter is CD. So therefore the first diameter AB and CD are equal distance. Let's see relation between a diameter and radius. So here O is the center and AB is the diameter. So in this figure we can write diameter equal to AB. So here, so diameter denoted by D. So therefore D equal to, we can write AB equal to OA plus OB. Here the OA represented by a radius. So here we can write R. And OB also a radius. So also here write R. So therefore D equal to R plus R. So R plus R we get 2R. That is, diameter of a circle is twice its radius. So now coming to chord of a circle. So in a circle, a line segment joining any 2 points of a circle is called a chord of a circle. So that is, a line segment whose endpoints lie on the circle is called a chord. So here, the diameter is the longest chord of a circle. So now, coming to secant of a circle. So here, a line passing through a circle and intersecting the circle at 2 distinct points is called a secant of the circle. So that is, a line which passes through a circle and intersects the circles at 2 points is known as the secant. So let's see circumference of a circle. So here the distance around a circle is called its circumference. So or the perimeter of a circle is called its circumference. So in other words, we can say the length of the boundary of interior of a circle is called its circumference. So now let's see arc of a circle. So an arc is any part of a circle enclosed by any 2 points on it. So that is, any part of a circle is called an arc of the circle. So here the arc is represented by 3 points on the circle. So we can write A, X, B with the symbol of arc, the above letters. So this like. Let's see the types of arc. So here 2 arcs are there. The first one, in an arc is bigger than a semicircle, then it is called major arc. So therefore, the bigger arc is called major arc. The another one, an arc is smaller than semicircle, then it is called minor arc. That is, the smaller arc is called minor arc. So in this figure, the major arc is AYB. That is AYB is the major arc. Next, AXB is the minor arc. That is smaller arc. So now coming to scatter of a circle. The area bounded by an arc and the two radii joining endpoints of the arc with the center is called a scatter. So now this is a circle. AXB is an arc and O is the center and AO and OB are two radii. So here the region bounded by an arc and the two radii drawn from the endpoints of the circle to the center is known as the scatter of the circle. Now coming to types of a sector. So very simple. The scatter formed by the major arc is called the major scatter, and the scatter formed by the minor arc is called the minor scatter. So now let's see segment of a circle. So here a region in the interior of a circle bounded by a chord and its corresponding arc is known as a segment of the circle. That is, chord of a circle divides the circular region into two parts. So here each part is called a segment of the circle. Next, the segment containing the center of the circle is called major segment, and the segment not containing the center is called minor segment. So let's see what is a semicircle. So here the diameter of a circle divides the circle into two equal parts. So each part is called a semicircle. That is, half of a circle is known as a semicircle. Now coming to exercise problems. Exercise 5.4, the first one. From the given figure, identify center of the circle. Here the center of the circle is C and two radii. So here the radius are CB, CX and CB. Here we want to write only two radii. Therefore we can write CX and CB. Next here, diameter. Here the diameter is BP or PB. Next, a chord other than diameter. So here the chord is DF. Next, an arc. So here the arc is XP or PX. So coming to second problem. The diameter of a circle is 7 cm. What is its radius? So we already know a diameter of a circle is twice its radius. So here the diameter equal to 7 cm. That is a D equal to 2R. So we can write radius equal to diameter by 2. Here the diameter value is 7 centimeter. So 7 centimeter by 2 we get 3.5 centimeter. That is radius equal to 3.5 centimeter. Therefore, radius of a circle is 3.5 centimeter. Next, the fifth problem, fill in the blanks. First one, a line segment that joins 2 points on the circle is a chord. Second one, and dash is a part of the circle, arc. Third one, dash is the longest chord of the circle, diameter. Fourth one, a radius is the dash of the diameter, half of the diameter. Fifth one, a scatter is bounded by 2 radii and an dash, arc. So the answer is arc. Sixth one, all points on the circle are equidistant from the dash of the circle, center. Seventh one, the diameter divides a circle into 2 semicircles. Thank you, children.